Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Jyoupro. First, carefully unbox your new Jyoupro device and ensure all components are present, including the main unit and power supply. Next, connect the power adapter to the device and a wall outlet, then press the power button. The device should boot up, presenting you with initial setup options. Select your preferred language from the available choices to begin the configuration process. Now, let's get your Jyoupro connected to the internet. Navigate to the network settings and select your Wi-Fi network from the list. Enter your Wi-Fi password accurately to establish a connection. Once online, you'll be prompted to create a new Jyoupro account or sign in if you already have one. Remember to review and accept the terms of service to proceed. With your account set up, it's time to personalize your Jyoupro experience. Access the profile settings to enter your desired username and adjust any personal preferences. It's also crucial to check for and install any pending software updates to ensure optimal performance and security. Finally, explore the display and sound settings to tailor them perfectly to your environment. Congratulations, your Jyoupro is now fully set up and ready to use. Take some time to explore the main interface and discover all the applications and features available. For more in-depth information on advanced functionalities, consult the comprehensive user manual. We hope you enjoy your new Jyoupro device and all it has to offer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.